Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds SKULLCANDY Jib True. You have to start by open the charging case and then remove your earbuds from the case. Now at the back side we have right here SKULLCANDY logo, and this one is touch controls. So you need to press and hold at the both of your earbuds until you will see the LED light what blinking blue and red. So press and hold. Here we go. Then we just enter to prank mode, so we see them at the device list, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!